Hi guys, Josh from Poles and Pipes. Now I'm going to show you an insulation resistance test on an IEC power cord using my IEC test lead, and also a different kind of IEC lead doing the same test. So let's plug it in and you'll see what the thing is. Now that's 20 milliohms, 20 mega ohms, and that's a pass with the wiring. Now I came across this lead. It was a pass, however it had a lower insulation resistance reading. We're just going to have a look at this, see the evidence on here. So I've done my visual inspection, it has passed, but if we have a look at the results, now you can see that's a lower insulation resistance test by about 14.8 mega ohms less, sorry. Now, this may not be a fail, but it can be a cause for concern, because the insulation can break down a lot more. So the lower the insulation resistance, the more the insulation can break down. And again, if it's below 1 mega ohm or less, then it can be a fail in itself. But do advise the duty holder if you come across anything like that. And then, yeah, thank you very much.